Learning goals. Welcome to this learning session on Copilot Unlocked. In this course, we shall address mastering AI prompting fundamentals, context, windows and primer techniques, the 5 pillars of failure planning protocols, and role assignment advanced power user strategies. There will be a quiz at the end to test your knowledge. The core problem with AI prompting: many developers struggle with GitHub Copilot because they treat it like a traditional search engine rather than a sophisticated pair programmer. Research from community forums and developer blogs indicates a widespread frustration with generic or off-target suggestions that often stem from vague one-line queries. Copilot is a context-hungry tool that requires structured input to function at its peak. To unlock the full power of the tool, users must adopt the communication styles of advanced AI power users, focusing on structure and specificity. By assigning roles and chaining intents, you can transform the AI from a simple autocomplete engine into a high-level architectural partner. Statistics show that developers who master these structured techniques see productivity improvements of up to 55% compared to those who do not. Understanding the context window: GitHub Copilot does not possess the ability to read your mind. Instead, it relies entirely on the context window provided within your IDE. This window includes the file you currently have open, the comments you have written, and the chat history of your current session. Understanding that the quality of the output is directly proportional to the quality of this context is the first step toward mastery. Senior developers often outperform their peers, not necessarily because of superior coding skills, but because they are experts at feeding the AI the right information. By keeping relevant files open and maintaining a clean chat history, they ensure the AI has the most accurate data to work with. This front-loading of context can improve response quality by as much as 30%, according to official documentation. Explore 5 common pitfalls that lead to poor Copilot results. Understanding these will help you improve your AI interactions and code generation. Copilot struggles when your intent is unclear. Simply asking to fix this leaves the AI guessing whether you need improvements in performance, security, or readability. Without a specific persona, Copilot defaults to a generic junior level, often producing simplistic or inefficient code. Failing to provide a one-shot example is a major pitfall. Copilot learns from patterns it observes, so without a clear example, it may produce output with incorrect formatting. Providing a good example guides the AI towards the desired output structure and style. Overloading a single prompt with too many requests or complex instructions can overwhelm Copilot. This makes it difficult for the AI to prioritize and execute tasks effectively. Breaking down complex requests into smaller, more digestible parts is crucial for better results. Working with stale context from long sessions can lead to suboptimal Copilot outputs. The AI's understanding is based on the information it has recently processed. If the context becomes outdated or irrelevant, the generated code might not align with current needs or project state. To avoid these common issues, developers should adopt strategies like the chain prompt framework. This method involves breaking down complex tasks into manageable approved stages. Each stage builds upon the previous one, ensuring clarity and guiding Copilot through the process systematically. The planning protocol and role assignment. The planning protocol is a foundational technique that forces the AI to outline its approach before writing a single line of code. This mirrors Copilot's internal plan mode and ensures that the AI understands the sequence of steps, the files involved, and potential edge cases. By requiring the AI to get your approval on a plan first, you eliminate the most common failure mode: premature code generation. Role assignment is equally critical, as it shifts the AI's output from generic to specialized. By telling Copilot you are a senior security engineer with 10 years of experience, you trigger a different set of weights in the model. This results in measurably better architectural feedback and more robust code that adheres to industry-standard best practices for your specific tech stack. The context primer and clarifying questions. The context primer is a structured block of information that should be front-loaded at the start of every new session. It should define the project, the tech stack, specific constraints like performance or security, and what code already exists. Providing this comprehensive overview ensures the AI operates with full awareness of the environment, reducing the need for repetitive corrections. The clarifying questions protocol prevents the AI from filling in gaps with wrong assumptions by requiring it to ask you questions first. This technique, adapted from advanced Claude prompting, ensures that every ambiguity is resolved before the task begins. You should instruct the AI to number its questions and, where possible, make them yes/no for rapid response and minimal friction. Advanced Power users leverage the GitHub Copilot instructions.gemdp file to persistent repository-level context that the AI reads at the start of every session. This file acts as a briefing document for a new developer, detailing coding conventions, architecture decisions, and the definition of done. This single file can replace the need for manual context setting in every individual prompt, saving significant time. Another advanced technique involves using the number file and number code-based keywords to pin specific files or reference the entire workspace within the chat. As of 2026, Copilot also allows for model selection, enabling users to switch between models like Claude Sonnet 4.6 for reasoning or GPT-5.3 for speed. Choosing the right model for the task, such as using Claude for complex refactoring, dramatically improves the quality of the results. Summary: well done. You have completed the course Copilot Unlocked you should now be familiar with. Mastering AI Prompting Fundamentals Context Windows and Primating Fundamentals Context Windows and Primer Techniques, the 5 pillars of failure planning protocols and role assignment advanced power user strategies. Should you need to revisit any of the topics in this course, please use the menu at the bottom of the screen.